guys, we are playing this game, Build and Defend. Look at my base. It's awesome. Comment it in the comment. No, we have really bad. Alien. I have bomb and lava plate and grenade. The king's build. The king. The king's tower is this one. This rating is titanium, and I put some guns in here and mini guns. So let's fight. Is it loud? It's loud. I will it's not loud. Okay, well, I'm gonna buy this. I don't have more money. So if I get to the next world, I will do it the next video. If I get 25 likes, so I'm gonna eat this until it's done. Okay, so 3, 2, 1, boom! It's done, guys. I got 7,000. Oh, I don't have more. Wait, I bought one, but it's 4. What? Maybe that is the boss. This week. No. This. Let me remove this, and I'm gonna remove this too. This too, and gonna place this. Place this. Place this. Place this. Place this. And I'm gonna remove this, remove, I put this, and done. Wait, let me put some this. Wait, let me remove, and no, this, and done. Let me fight. Yes. My base is too overpowered now. Yeah. I stop talking if I am done. When I stop talking if I am doing things. Sorry, let me buy this. Yes. What do I let me stop this? What do I want? This thing is trash and gonna remove this and gonna place this until a boss win. Yes. We are going we are going a great job. But I need wave 60. Wait, guys, can you wait me in in a second? I will drink something. Okay. So guys, I'm done. For I drink Coke because we don't have water. Oh, it's wave 67. Oh, guys, it's currently 7 minutes. YouTube don't want me in 15 minutes or 50 minutes. 30 minutes. So, guys, bye.